Have you ever bought a brand new phone only to see it get its first software update just a few weeks later? That's exactly what's happening right now with Samsung's Galaxy S25 FE. The phone was only launched recently, and now it's already receiving its very first firmware update. So if you own this device, or you're thinking of getting one, you'll want to stick around because this update is pretty important. Let's rewind for a second. Samsung's Galaxy S25 lineup for this year has been packed. We've got the three standard models, plus the S25 Edge, and finally, Samsung added one more piece to the puzzle, the Galaxy S25 FE. Think of it as the flagship adjacent model. It carries many of the premium features, but comes at a more accessible price point, which is why it's been such a popular pick. And now, just weeks after launch, Samsung is rolling out its first big software patch for it. Here's what's happening. The update has already started rolling out in Europe, and eventually, it's going to hit more regions around the world. The firmware version is labeled as 731BXXU1AYIB, and while that may sound like a bunch of random letters and numbers, what it really means is stability, improvements, and most importantly, security. The highlight of this update is the September 2025 security patch. Samsung addressed dozens of security vulnerabilities in its latest security maintenance release, and now Galaxy S25 FE users are getting that protection. In today's world, where everything from our banking apps to our personal chats lives inside our smartphones, security updates are something you definitely don't want to ignore, but that's not all. Samsung has also added some under-the-hood stability improvements. These are the kinds of tweaks you don't really see but you feel. Apps open smoother, crashes happen less often, and the phone just feels more reliable in day-to-day use. So, while this update doesn't bring flashy new features, it does bring peace of mind, and honestly, that's just as important. Now here's an interesting part. Unlike many other Samsung devices, the Galaxy S25 FE actually launched with One UI 8 already installed right out of the box. That means users didn't have to wait for the latest version of Samsung's software. It was ready to go from day one. This update doesn't change that, but it reinforces the fact that Samsung is keeping this phone well supported from the start. Of course, the big question many fans are asking is, what about One UI 8.5? That's the next big software release from Samsung, and leaks suggest it's going to be a pretty major one. Unfortunately, this first firmware update for the Galaxy S25 FE doesn't include any of those new features or changes. Samsung seems to be saving the exciting stuff for when One UI 8.5 officially arrives. And trust me, based on what we've heard so far, that's going to be worth the wait. So, should you install this update? The answer is a big yes. Even though it doesn't bring flashy upgrades, keeping your phone updated is the best way to make sure it stays safe and performs well. And since Samsung is rolling this out gradually, if you don't see it on your Galaxy S25 FE yet, don't worry, it's coming your way soon. To wrap it up,